Oh my god, just have a look at the deal. Insane. Hello my dear friends, welcome back to today's second video on our marathon from $10 to $10,000, and we'll be trading on levels again, but we'll be drawing them with some particular tool, Fibonacci correction. And in my previous video, I already told you about this tool, and today we'll analyze it as well. I'll tell you how to manage levels on Fibonacci correctly, so you can trade from the zones that the chart will roll back from definitely. While trading on pocket option platforms, the link is in the description. As always, sign up for free and repeat after me. So sit down comfortably, enjoy watching, and we go. Guys, the main thing you should keep in mind, I'm drawing on trading on 1 minute time frame, but we should be working with levels, drawing them, making them on some older, bigger time frame, because they are the ones that levels work the best at. If you're trading just like me on 1 minute, you can draw levels on M1, M5 time frames or M15. That's great, we're done with time frame, and then we click brush icon and find our Fibonacci levels tool and click it, see the grid, and at first it may be unclear, but let's settle it out. We see two main lines here with the help of which we can regulate this indicator. We always place levels, level 1 at the beginning of the trend. So now we see a downtrend and the start of a trend is at the very top. Place level 0 at the very end of the trend. Those are the main things to keep in mind, guys. So if the trend is vice versa, upward one, not downward, we place 1 at the very bottom and at the beginning of the trend, and 0 at the very top, so it's the end of the trend. Now the trend is downward one, so the indicator on this chart looks like this. So let's manage Fibonacci levels tool a little. Let's replace 1 from the body of the candle to its shadow, like this, because only with 30 seconds of this tool we have much more touches of essential levels, which are marked by the market indicator itself. So we have levels such as 236, 382, 05, 618, and so on. And we see that those levels work at least here, right here we roll back several times. So in general, it's much more good for us than this thing. And I hope you agreed. So always correct your levels, and after that we switch to the main time frame and see the nearest level from which we'll be trading with lower. So this is the resistance level because it's above the chart, and we're gonna trade with lower. Okay, it looks like this. We just take trend lines and draw potential trajectory of the rollback of the chart, and this is how it looks like. And we go lower than this, this is how it's gonna look like in this case. I hope it's clear, guys. The lower level is the support level we trade with higher from it. So the theoretical part is over. Great, and let's finally move to practice. So guys, the first deal in this video comes to its closure, and here we see that we clearly rolled back from this level. We also see that there were reactions from the same level in past, which is drawn by our tool, Fibonacci correction. On 5 minute time frame we see an uptrend, it's small part, but anyway we have the start of the trend and we place 1 here, and here's the end of it, and here we place 0. So a 382 level is a resistance from which we open the deal with lower, got a reaction and earned. We get another reaction on the same chart and earn $48 extra. Here, resistance level 382, and we open the deal with lower from it. So what do we see here is a series of 4 deals was kinda risky, and I was waiting for a good rollback from this resistance level, and as you see, it finally happens. We made 4 deals closed, 2 of them were profitable, 1 refund and 1 loss. Unfortunately, this level was not really clear. We see, for example, that right here we had clear touches. The chart was touching the level and rolling back right away. But here we went beyond the level a little, and now it works anyway as a resistance, and the chart slowly starts to get corrected. So here the case is risky too, as the chart falls much lower than the support level. In fact, support level is somewhere on this level, and this is why I had to open 2 deals with higher. Let's see this red candle, how it's gonna be closed. We have 10 seconds till its closure, and if it's closed as red and leaves the shadow, then we'll be opening a deal with lower, even though we didn't reach our resistance level. So why we did not open a deal right here, you'd ask? That's pretty simple. We didn't reach resistance level, which means that the forces of buyers are over and the market looks weak for growth. And it means that we can bet on fall or on lower, and whatever you're comfortable with. Guys, let's summarize results now. And we earned pretty much today. In other words, we managed to make deposit 4 times bigger. Insane. We turned 38 into $160. And I consider it's an awesome result as for trading on levels, and of course as the band is growing, we'll be lowering risks while trading, so the bet amount will be no more 50% of deposit but less, and I really recommend you using some more conservative strategy. And if you watch this video to the end, you're such a fine fellow, I'm so glad. And if you watched it, you can apply the knowledge you've got on practice and repeat the result after me. Don't forget that you can get free signals from me for binary options in my Telegram channel. The link to Telegram channel is in the description as well. And I don't say goodbye for long because we'll meet really soon in my next video. But before you go, a quick reminder for my dear traders. If you're a beginner, if you're not really good at trading binary options, I recommend you to watch this video right here. And if you want to start trading with profitable signals that have already been tested, go to my Telegram channel and watch the video about trading with signals right there. And if you want to be aware of the most profitable and reliable strategies, watch the video right here. Now that's it. Bye bye.